Morning students, myself Mithilesh Kumar presented in front of you. Dear students, today discuss about AM or PM for class 3 exercise 58. Let us start topics. Dear students, you know that a day has 24 hours. A day has 24 hours. All students know that. A day has 24 hours. A day has divided into 4 parts. First, morning. Second, noon. Third, evening. And fourth, night. Dear students, this is the part of day: morning, noon, evening, night. A day has 24 hours. All students know that. What is midnight? What is midnight? What is midnight? 12 o'clock at a night. 12 o'clock at a night is called midnight. 12 o'clock 12 o'clock at a night is called midnight. That's okay. And what is noon या midday? Noon या midday. What is noon या midday? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock in the middle of the day. 12 o'clock in the middle of the day is called noon या midday. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock in the middle of the day is called noon या midday. Dear students, in these times we discussed what is noon, what is midnight. All the students knows when 12 o'clock at a night is called midnight. 12 o'clock in the middle of the day is called the noon या midday. Now, what is AM? What is AM? Dear students, you know that AM anti-meridium. So please remember what is the full form of AM? Anti-meridium. 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 The time between midnight and noon is called anti-meridium. 9 o'clock in the morning, yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning yeah 9 a.m. must be right. So you must understand what is AM. The full form of AM, anti-meridium, the time between midnight at noon is called anti-meridium. What is PM? What is PM? You know that, dear students, PM, the full form of PM is post meridiem. The full form of PM is post meridiem. Post meridiem, PM. The time between noon, the time between noon and midnight is called post meridiem. What is full form of PM? Post meridiem. The time between noon and midnight is called post meridiem. Example: 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Okay. In this way, we represent 6 o'clock in the evening, yeah, 6 p.m. 9 o'clock in the morning, yeah, 9 a.m. Now, dear students, let us start your exercise work. What do say in exercise? In first question and second questions, today discussed. First questions and second questions discussed what is saying. These questions based on AM and PM. AM and PM. Dear students, must be remembered what is the full form of AM and PM. So in first questions use AM and PM. In first questions, by using AM or PM. A 9 o'clock in the morning. 9 o'clock in the morning, that means 9 a.m. 9 a.m. In question number B, 10 o'clock before noon. 10 o'clock before noon. 10 o'clock before noon, that means 10 a.m. C, 2 o'clock at night. 2 o'clock at night, that means 2 a.m. Question number D, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Afternoon, that means 3 p.m. Question number E, 12:30 afternoon, that means 12:30 p.m. Question number F, 11:39 before noon. 11:39 a.m. Question number G, 4 after midnight. 4 after midnight. 4 a.m. H 5:15 in the evening, 5:15 p.m. So must be remembered what is AM, what is PM. The midnight to noon is called AM and noon to midnight is called PM. Now second questions of exercise work. Choose the correct times for each. A football match is generally played at 4 am या 4 pm. 4 pm. Because playing times is in the evening and evening shows in the PM form. Second question, you get up at 6 am या 6 pm in the morning. 6 am in the morning. And question number C, you go to a school at 8:30 am या 8:30 pm. 8:30 am. 8:30 am. 8:30 am. Now D number questions. The sun sets at 6:30 am या 6:30 pm. Sun sets 6:30 pm. And question number E, the sun rises at 5:30 pm या 5:30 am. The sun rises at 5:30 am. Now dear students, in this way your today's topic of exercise 58 question number 1 and 2 finished. So please try to make at home. If you any problem, ask them. Thank you students.